October. So I'm currently posted as the Principal Director, School Education and CEO, State Health Authority in Nagaland. The KSA, the organization committee, had invited us. Pleasure to be with being Kabi Anglong today and interact with all the students and meet my fellow eminent panelists who are also here talk with kids about career guidance. A wonderful audience, and I want to thank everyone for the opportunity. It's been a very pleasant experience here in Kabi Anglong.
What is your experience?
Right, I mean, it's been the welcome has been very, very warm. People have been very hospitable, so I just want to thank everyone. And I think the Kabi Anglong as a whole has made tremendous progress over the years, and I'm sure in the days and years to come, the progress is going to be even more rapid. I mean, it's very heartening to see the development that's happening here, and I wish everyone the very best. Thank you.
KSA pen gibi career counseling ngate tong long ningarong parlo athenon o kimi tong khan career counseling ki pia kenang so kachini kenang so the tuma prang along ke wangi kachiting bai competition na kai pina kachiting bai jadi hin sita penon bihek non penjong si ame thang e career phanchi chini la so teng penjong si chithi pon bom no so nat pon bom pulote la mu ke wangi ni mesen ki angkhek long po la pensi la su ke organize kesi domanda ni ningaklong pe jolo parlo.
Well, I'm pleased to be here in this career guidance program being organized by Bolongkong Maju Korea. Seperti ningarong ono la bangsa program kesi pen pakai kita ono pakai penane ada sudah jangkum metric pass dete kopi career si energy ma mana arts ma science ma ba kopi career mana dia topik mana doktor engineer la samso kan kapre production tapi entrepreneur pada kita mana interior decoration kapre so careers tapi kan pilih la bangsa workshop ini long pen tiap si tame at least some basic knowledge bang semua sini kono si la santa kat monopisi tame program di kon bomlo ko ne pato jolo thank you
Sir, continue.
Unplug problems ke lagi alarming loh, lagi not only Carmel all over India sedang unplug rate kami dia bagi graduation ba master degree ba LLB holders dan negara sorting dan kerja di tumbang kategori itu loh job opportunities sekarang. Saya mau angkat di sini di tumbang tumbang ke government di sini kami asal inisiatif yang pernah konsumsi halal smart English karena sektor long set kembang atau inisiatif kami nama skill development program self employment program ini NGO itu kami melakukan yang di sampai halal program si government dan si dengan konti bah si cingwai konti berarti si akusum kemana si kita dokumen banyak smart konsumsi English konti.
Sompen masih di consider career guidance lapen education awareness ko thal na walong komansilong panopono si tumpini labang somai mesen met pen itum pachun kon pamilo labang solong niltum long kachu phating pen itong lu Nagaland pen bahini speaker dolo former DC dolo lapen engineer dolo lapen tum da long pen sami tun chok pamona ten assistant IS dolo tata sonsa lapen tum long tin keron da banglo lapen da chairman municipal board chairman dolo lapen tum da peran ke thi ding tum lapenda school tum do am tu same labang so puthak bangke kosonsi tum prang ke mesen nai atwar ma na charli na kal tum tha penan school te boktera dan justame na chiton lo sipini labang so mai kichun ge labang ni tum da ke se bolong komaji prang su ni tum aji diploy pen kachipa do agency pini bang chun lo si itu ma si jong si tum kai kita puya de itu ma khe jong si pa prang ji pulo tang te ke chingsi ke charli do nang ji na de lo pulo tang de tum ma khe tame bang bang tu son pa prang ko pasi la so ke ma te se tum along sami tum tok lang cerok tok nang ji ku ke tambo bang bom no pini tu sami tum kopai ke me je pini kopai ke me pen jo se tum ha ka prek ang tan te na tum anda tum long bai bang lo tum state another state pen ka prek state pen sami tum long e pini ke dage si tum phan kar be kheita mane thek nang ji re nang ji pu tum ka chuning ri dama teng ke pini lo te bang lo sin ni tum pini labang so platform pen bang ke alang li tum phan ta me ni tum suri ka choropa jo lo pini labang so amai ki bi alang li tum le bang be pu son de ni tum labang so mai ta mi bi na ge so masi tum penangan da golong komaji long ari so ejang tum school dun bom college dun bom tum same alambang RDN dun lo te charli dun long lo je eprang itu metric pass det na high secondary pass det ben ko puwa to war ke dam si ke meji ma pu ha pen cheng lok lai hu alambang ga charli dun long lo ku si pini tum bang ga anu tin da pen